Good morning, BPI traders. This is Oliver from BPI Trade. So this is Q&A Thursdays. Our question for today is from Miss Geraldine Josue. So her question is, ano bang difference between the GLOPP preferred shares and the GLOPP common shares that are already listed in the PSE? And how do I avail of these shares? That's a good question, Geraldine. The difference between GLOPP preferred shares and GLOPP common shares is that in GLOPP preferred shares, the dividend rate is fixed at 5.2006% per annum, paid semi-annually, or twice a year. For the GLOPP common shares, it doesn't necessarily mean that they will have a dividend to be paid out for the year. It is dependent on management decisions. Okay, for the GLOPP preferred shares, the stock price is 500 pesos per share on its initial listing, whereas for the GLOPP common shares, it's 1,800 to 1,900 pesos currently. Okay, so for the GLOPP preferred shares, moreover, the stock price will not fluctuate as much as the common shares. Principally, for the preferred shares, people usually hold it for the long term. It functions similarly to a bond in that people hold it for long term and that the dividend rate functions like your interest. So now that I've answered the difference between GLOPP preferred shares and common shares, how can you avail of them? So first of all, if you're a BPI Trade client and you want to avail of the GLOPP preferred shares, you just need to download the reservation form from our research tab from the website. Okay, now how many can you avail? Principally, so you can avail 100 shares minimum of the GLOPP preferred shares and in increments of 10. So for example, you can reserve 100 shares, 110 shares, 120 shares, 200 shares. There's no maximum reservation. Okay, so if you're not a BPI Trade account holder, you would need to open an account by going to bpitrade.com and by clicking open an account. Now, once your account has been opened, you can download the reservation form by going to the research tab. So I hope that answers your question, Geraldine. Now, if you have further questions, feel free to send us a comment at Facebook or on Twitter. Once again, I'm Oliver of BPI Trade. Thanks so much.